Hello friends, welcome back to our another Fuck2One learning series video. In my previous video, I already covered about this topic, how to create a purchase credit note manually. Okay, so today I will show you the format of import the file. So you have to follow some file instruction. So through that you can able to upload your data. So you can see here, you can directly upload your file by clicking here and just choose the file and it will be uploaded. Okay, but you have to follow some file instruction. So you can see here the column. Okay, so you have to fill this column very carefully, like ID and organization name, account code, type, document number, issue date, due date, details, discount, and subtotal, IVA, total, retention text, and another is retention tax, another is retention amount, then description. Okay, and you can see here the file format. Okay, so file should be like this extension. Okay, and it must be in like Excel sheet format. Okay, and column name and everything is matches just above table, and you can't upload one file. You can't upload more file at a one time. Okay, only one file at a one time you have to upload, and you have to fill all the columns which I mentioned above, and you can see here the required ID. Okay, so these required details you have to fill this field. Yeah, this is important. Okay, if you miss any of it, then it will be showing some issue to upload. And here by here you get some free sample of file. Okay, so you can get a free version and you just simple copy paste and upload your data there, and then upload in this portal. Okay, so by importing, it is very clear. If you have your purchase credit note in bulk amount. Okay, so you can directly import the data here, but just follow some basic file instruction, and that's it. So thanks for watching. I hope you like it. Please do like, subscribe, okay, and share. If you want to if you get any confused, and if you want to ask anything related to that topics, so just do comment. Okay, and that's it from mine. Let's see you in our next upcoming videos. Bye.